investigators allowed the refinery to sidestep some regulations to stay in business. Investigative reporter Mitch Blocker joins us from the newsroom with what else was missed. Mitch.
Jackie, today we learned about two big developments in this ongoing investigation. First, we now know more than 3,000 pounds of a deadly chemical was released into the air in South Philly. Second, federal investigators say that they have traced the initial leak back to a 45-year-old pipe. This is a picture from a Philadelphia Energy Solutions security camera on June 21st at 4:01 a.m. The U.S. Chemical Safety Board says you're looking at a hydrofluoric acid leak. 1 minute later, the vapor cloud ignites.
We're all very fortunate that there were no fatalities or serious injuries.
The warning of the explosion, NBC 10's cameras captured the blast catapulting something from the refinery. Today, investigators released this animation showing what that object was. One of three thrown thousands of feet. According to the Chemical Safety Board, it weighed approximately 38,000 pounds and was flung across the Schuylkill River.
That gone in a different direction, there could have been some massive damage.
Air quality expert and Drexel University professor Peter DiCarlo is also concerned about long-term health effects. Today, for the first time, we learned 3,271 pounds of hydrofluoric acid and 68,000 pounds of hydrocarbons was released into the atmosphere.
You really shouldn't have these massive industrial complexes right next to what people do.
Chemical Safety Board investigators traced the initial leak to this pipe. It held back deadly chemicals for 45 years. How is it possible that no one discovered that this pipe was failing?
So the CSB in the past has called for 100% component inspection.
But that type of inspection did not happen in South Philadelphia, according to investigators. The Chemical Safety Board says the practice is not the industry standard. The federal report says the refinery did inspect other piping, but skipped the piece that failed. The Chemical Safety Board estimates before it failed, the pipe corroded to about half of the thickness of a credit card.
But it really requires inspecting, not just a lot, but every single piece of pipe to find pieces like this one that got extremely thin.
And this is one of a dozen refinery failures that the Chemical Safety Board has investigated.
That's enough. That's enough of the bull sugar. It's not that. It's not. It's bull sugar.